A small, idyllic town surrounded by lush forests and clear skies, with vibrant green trees and a peaceful atmosphere. People are enjoying the outdoors, breathing in the fresh air and living healthy, stress-free lives. A dark, smoky industrial complex emerging on the outskirts of a previously untouched town, with pollution beginning to spread into the air, affecting the once pure surroundings. The first signs of environmental damage, smoke creeping into the sky, people cutting down large, healthy trees in a dense forest, replacing the natural greenery with barren land for construction and commercial use. Dust fills the air as the forest vanishes, and the natural habitat is destroyed. A city skyline filled with towering buildings, shopping malls, and factories, but with smog and poor air quality hanging over it. The once peaceful town is now overrun with noise, traffic, and pollution. A crowded, busy marketplace with people carrying canisters of oxygen, struggling to breathe in the polluted environment. They have to buy bottled oxygen just to survive, showing the severe impact of pollution. A young girl sitting at a desk, reading a textbook by the light of a flickering candle, learning about the importance of oxygen. The room is dim, and the atmosphere feels heavy, mirroring the town's declining air quality. A candle burning brightly in the corner of a room, suddenly flickering and going out as the air quality in the room decreases. The girl and her mother exchange worried glances, realizing that oxygen is running out. A close-up of a worried mother and daughter as they look at each other in disbelief, realizing that the room is losing its oxygen, symbolizing the growing crisis in the city and the people's disconnection from nature. A city in the background with people, crowded and tense, fighting over oxygen, while the surrounding land is barren, symbolizing the imbalance between humanity's desires and nature's survival. A wise, old tree in the center of a decaying city, standing tall amidst the ruins. Its branches stretch out toward the people, as it speaks to them, warning them of the danger and urging them to leave for the forest to survive. A lush, green forest in the distance, with sunlight filtering through the trees, offering a peaceful, fresh environment. A group of people, led by a family, is seen walking toward the forest, leaving the polluted city behind. A powerful image of nature, perhaps a glowing tree or a symbol of nature, communicating with people, telling them to live in harmony with the earth and that nature offers life but will not care for humanity in return for its neglect.